Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from LuvMe Hair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay sis, so again I received this unit from LuvMe Hair and it came in this box right here. So let's get into the box. So we have the hair itself, we have a wig cap, and then we have another cute little bag with their logo on it. Let's see what this has. Girl, if I could get it, it has a edge brush. Girl, good, because I need another one. Okay, and then a scarf with their logo on it and some cute earrings. How cute. Okay, girl, let's get into this unit and see what she is working with. Girl, this hair feels soft right off the back. Okay. Okay, LuvMe. She is feeling really, really nice. Again, y'all, super soft. This is supposed to be like a bang unit. So let's get into the bangs. You can kind of see it. So yeah, it is a bang unit. I don't really know what it's exactly called. I'll have the name, you know, once we jump further into the video. But let me see if I can kind of comb it out. But yeah, that's what she's giving. And I'm not sure again how long she is, but again, we'll have more information once we jump further. Let me show you the inside if I can get it. Oh, okay girl, so the inside has a lot of space. It looks like a 13x4. So if you want to put it into a ponytail, or I guess push the bangs back, you can, which is very good. I didn't think that it would come with lace in the inside, but again y'all, it looks like a 13x4. It has an elastic band on it, and it's not adjustable or detachable. It does stay on there. I mean, if you wanted to cut it off you could, but it is attached on. Then you as well have combs. You have two combs right here on the side, a comb at the top, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. Girl, I'm so shocked that it has lace right there. Let me show you the part. It's like a little part or whatever in the middle. But yeah, this is the unit, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette. I'm just gonna mix those two brown colors and apply it to my lace. To lay my wig down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray. I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. So now I'm going in using that same contour palette, and I'm just going to put those shades around the hairline, and this is just to better tint my lace because as you can see it is white. And then after I do that, I'm going to go back in with some more Got To Be Blue Free Spray, spraying along the hairline and then blow drying in, and sis, this just creates the perfect melt. So now I'm just kind of playing around with the wig, trying to figure it out and see if the bangs match my face, you know, just looking. But then after I get it together, I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just basically just trying to lay everything down flat as I can. Now that everything is laying flat, I'm going to go in with my flat iron and flat iron my bangs, and then just kind of play around with it a little bit more, and then continue to flat iron the rest of my hair. I not really flat iron, just pretty much use the flat iron to curl it up and style the wig. To finish off the wig, I'm going to go in with some Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and this is going to act as my wax stick, and this is just to make sure that everything is laid flat. Okay, sis, so this is what we ended up looking like, and girl, the wig is super cute. Like, you cannot tell me nothing right now. The wig is bomb, honey. Get into it. She is beautiful. And y'all, I've always wanted a bang unit, and I finally got my hands onto one. And just for the simple fact that I do not want to cut my own bangs into a unit, like, period. I don't want to mess it up and then be mad that I didn't mess up my unit. So I kind of just been waiting for the right time, and this was it. She finally has one, and girl, she cute. But anyways, let me turn around so you can see the back. Y'all, do y'all see that bounce? Like, It's the bounce for me. Like, sis, the unit is definitely giving. So anyways, let me get onto this website. Again, this is from LuvMe Hair, or I think the website is called shop.lovemehair.com. So on their website, it says that this is their Curtain Bang HD 13x4 undetectable lace body wave wig. Let's scroll down. The texture again is body wave, 100% human hair from one donor. It lasts for 1 or more year. The density is 150. The hair color is natural black. The hairline is pre-plucked, can be dyed, has adjustable straps. The circumference of the wig is medium, 22.5 inches, and the lace is top Swiss lace. Y'all, it doesn't say what length I have, but just looking at it and just, you know, doing a quick little guesstimate, I want to say maybe 22 inches. It's giving me 22 inches all the way. I'll probably measure it later on off camera and have it down in the description box below, but it's definitely giving me 22 inches, and she's cute, sis. But anyways, let's get into these details. So it is a big hair friendly unit. It fits perfectly onto my head. Any different and it probably would have been a little too snug, but y'all, it really fit me like perfectly. It fits like a glueless unit, which is good, because I feel like with bangs you kind of want to just put it on and not have to do anything, because of course you can't see around the hairline or anything. So I'm glad that it probably does have that option to be glueless, as to why it has the adjustable straps, so that works out perfectly. But yeah, it does get a big hair friendly pass. The texture of this unit, y'all, the texture is soft, girl. That's all I can say. It's just soft hair. Like, sis, you can run your fingers straight through it. Off camera, I did have to go in with some oil sheen, because y'all, this hair is just so soft that the hair is kind of frizzy and like flimsy or whatever. So I did go in with some oil sheen to tame the frizz, and that did help me out a little bit or whatever. But y'all, you literally can run your fingers straight through it. No shedding, no tangling. The ends of the hair are good. You don't need to trim them. Like, girl, the hair is definitely bomb. Good, A1 quality. Again, y'all, I'm just guesstimating that it's 22 inches. It does come with a few layers, which is perfect, and the hair already came like curled and like, you know, with the body wave, so you really don't have to do much to this unit. It's really a good beginner friendly unit, because you literally can just plop it on your head and go. I did off camera cut a little bit on the side right here. You honestly don't need to cut anything at all. The bangs were perfect. At first I was a little nervous, because I was like, the bangs didn't look like they fit, you know, my little head shape or whatever, but girl, it really did. I don't even know why I went in and cut it. Well, no, I do know why, because a little bit, you know how the long part, the long hair gets in with the short hair, and it was just irritating me, so I just went ahead and snipped it, because I could see the short part sticking out of the long part. So I did just go ahead and snip it. It's kind of irritating me now though, because I think it's just like gonna be never ending, that it just keeps getting caught with the long hair. But I mean, girl, it is what it is. She's still cute. She is definitely giving. The lace melted nicely. I didn't go in, I didn't pre-bleach it, I didn't pluck it. Sis, I literally did nothing to this unit. I honestly forgot that it was going to be a 13x4 unit anyway, but then I was like, why waste my time when I know I'm just gonna wear it as is and you're not gonna be able to see anything? So I wasn't gonna just, you know, go in and waste product and waste my time when I know I'm just gonna wear it like this. And the day that I decide to put it into a ponytail or whatever, then I may go in and do a few plucking, but I'm still not gonna bleach the knots, because the knots are so small that you really can't tell. Just tinting the lace will hide the knots anyway. I'll go ahead and show you that. So as you can see, she looks good. She is pre-plucked a little bit. I would say maybe like a centimeter or two that she's pre-plucked. But yeah, you can definitely put this into a ponytail. Again, it's a 13x4. And as you can see, when you part it, you can still see lace right here. Yeah, you can still see lace. If you want to go in and pre-bleach it, you can. But I mean, it's not bad at all, y'all. It's definitely not bad. I didn't even tip my wig cap back there just because I knew that I wasn't gonna wear it like that. But girl, she's definitely cute if we put her into like a half up, half down situation, or a little clip, because the girl thinks she is Selena. You know how Selena used to wear her hair, just super cute with the bangs. Like, that's what it's giving. Like, she's definitely cute, y'all. But yeah, so if I ever do decide to wear her up, which I probably will because she was definitely cute like that, I'll go in and just like pluck it a little bit or whatever. But girl, the unit is pretty. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video.